everyone. Jen and I are going to help you practice All God's Critters by Bill Staines. Very simple to play, all down strums and just C, F, and G. I'm going to count to 4 and then we're all going to come in together. 1, 2, 3, 4. All God's critters got a place in the choir. Some sing low, some sing higher, some sing out loud on the telephone wire, and some just clap their hands or paws or anything they've got now. Listen to the top where the little birds sing on the melodies with the high notes ringing. The hoot owl hollers over everything, and the jaybird disagrees. Singing in the nighttime, singing in the day, the little duck quacked and he's on his way. The possum ain't got much to say, and the porcupine talks to himself. All God's critters got a place in the choir. Some sing low, some sing higher, some sing out loud on the telephone wire, and some just clap their hands or paws or anything they've got now. So you'll see that sometimes we need this extra measure at the end and sometimes we don't, and then you can just decide if you're not one of our munchkins and you're just playing this for your own benefit, you can decide whether you want to use that measure or